A shimmering silver school of fish darts beneath the cold ocean waves. This is the herring, one of the world's most important and nutritious seafood treasures. Packed with omega-3s and protein, herring supports marine life and feeds millions globally. But how do these small fish travel from the deep oceans to your dinner plate? Stay with us as we explore the fascinating journey of how herring are caught using innovative fishing techniques, carefully processed and prepared to reach tables worldwide, fresh and full of flavor. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the foods we love and the processes behind them. Let's dive right in. Herring fishing mainly occurs in cold coastal waters off Canada, Norway, Iceland, Russia, and the United States. The fishing season varies by region but usually peaks in spring and autumn when herring gather in large schools to spawn. During this spawning season, herring swim close to shore, making it easier for fishermen to catch large numbers quickly. The most common fishing methods include purse seining, midwater trawling, and gill netting. These efficient techniques help fishermen harvest herring successfully during the best times of the year. Purse seining is a highly efficient and popular method for catching herring in commercial fisheries. A large, wall-like net is cast around a school of herring. Then the bottom is pulled tight like a drawstring purse, trapping the fish inside. The net is slowly hauled toward the boat, and the herring are pumped on board. This technique allows fishermen to catch large amounts of fish at once, while minimizing physical damage and bycatch, making it a sustainable and high-quality fishing method. Midwater trawling catches herring swimming in the ocean's mid-depths. A large cone-shaped net is towed behind a vessel, suspended in mid-water, instead of dragging on the seabed. As the boat moves, herring swimming at these depths are funneled into the net. This method works well for large schools not near the surface or bottom and is ideal for deep or open waters where purse seining is less effective. Midwater trawling efficiently captures large amounts of herring while minimizing damage to the ocean floor and habitats. Gill netting is a passive fishing method used mainly in small-scale herring fisheries. Vertical nets hang in the water like walls, with mesh sizes that let herring partly swim through but trap them by their gills. Though effective, gill netting has drawbacks. It often catches unwanted species, bycatch, and can injure fish as they struggle to escape, lowering their quality. Despite these issues, it remains popular due to its simplicity and low cost. After herring are caught, they are pumped directly onto the deck of the fishing vessel. The next step is sorting, where workers remove any debris, damaged fish, or unwanted species to ensure only high-quality herring are kept. To preserve freshness, the fish must be chilled immediately using one of two main methods. In refrigerated seawater tanks, the herring are stored in cold, circulating seawater that keeps them fresh during the journey. Alternatively, ice storage involves covering the fish with layers of crushed ice to maintain low temperatures. Time is critical in this process because herring spoil rapidly. To maintain quality, the entire catch must be transported to a processing facility within 24 to 48 hours after being caught. When fishing boats reach the processing plant, the herring are unloaded using powerful vacuum pumps that quickly transfer the fish into large holding tanks. This efficient system reduces handling time and preserves freshness. Once unloaded, the catch is weighed to calculate total volume and determine fair payment for fishermen, usually based on weight. Accurate weighing also helps with inventory tracking and production planning. After this, the herring move into the cleaning and processing stages. Depending on the intended product, fresh, frozen, pickled, or canned, the next steps will vary. However, unloading and weighing remain the essential first steps in every type of herring processing operation. After unloading, the herring are sent through washing machines that thoroughly clean them by removing slime, blood, and dirt from their bodies. This step ensures the fish are hygienic and ready for processing. Once cleaned, the herring are carefully sorted by size through a grading process. Larger herring are typically selected for higher value products like fillets or fresh fish, which require bigger, more visually appealing fish. Smaller herring, which may not be suitable for fresh consumption, are often directed toward canning or turned into fish meal, a product used in animal feed and fertilizers. Sorting by size helps maximize the use of the catch and ensures that each fish is used most suitably based on its size and quality. For fillet products, herring are processed on machines or production lines where workers or automatic equipment cut off the heads, remove the guts, and separate the fillets from the bones. Some processing plants use fully automatic filleting machines to increase speed and efficiency. Depending on the final product's needs, the fillets may also be skinned to improve texture and appearance. This careful filleting process ensures high-quality fish pieces that are ready for packaging or further processing. Some herring are preserved by brining, which means soaking the fish in salty water. This method helps keep the fish fresh longer while adding a salty flavor. Brining is popular in places like the Netherlands and Scandinavia, where pickled herring is a traditional dish. Alternatively, herring can be dry salted by covering them with salt. Dry salting is often used for fish meant for export or long-term storage because it removes moisture and prevents spoilage. Both methods help preserve the fish effectively. Fresh herring are often frozen quickly, using blast or plate freezers that rapidly lower the temperature, locking in freshness and preventing spoilage. This fast freezing preserves the fish's texture and flavor for later use. When herring are canned, they are first cooked to ensure safety and quality. Sometimes the fish are smoked before cooking to add a richer, smoky flavor. Both freezing and cooking are important steps to prepare herring for different types of products and extend their shelf life. Canned herring products like kippers or small herring, sardines, are packed into cans with oil, sauce, or brine, then sealed to prevent contamination. The cans are cooked in pressure cookers called retorts, sterilizing the contents and making them shelf-stable for years. This long shelf life allows canned herring to be shipped worldwide. Fresh herring products, including fillets and whole fish, are packed into trays, plastic bags, or vacuum-sealed pouches to keep them fresh. Packages are labeled with product details, weight, expiration date, and storage instructions. Packaging machines speed up the process while ensuring proper sealing and quality preservation. Strict hygiene practices are maintained throughout the herring processing to ensure food safety. Workers wear gloves, hairnets, and clean uniforms to prevent contamination. Machines, floors, and work areas are regularly cleaned using high-pressure hoses and disinfectants. Quality control teams inspect the fish for spoilage, parasites, or damage, removing any that do not meet standards. Many processing plants also hold certifications from international organizations such as ISO or HACCP, which confirm that they follow rigorous food safety and quality management procedures. After processing and packaging, herring products are shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, and distributors worldwide. To maintain freshness and safety, they are transported in refrigerated trucks or shipping containers that keep the fish cold throughout the journey. This careful handling ensures the herring arrives in good condition for sale or use in meals. Herring is enjoyed globally as a nutritious, affordable seafood choice, appreciated for its rich flavor and health benefits in many different cuisines and food markets. That's a wrap on our video. From the icy ocean depths to your dining table, we've uncovered how herring are caught, processed, and preserved with expert care. With innovative techniques and strict quality checks, this tiny fish delivers big nutrition and flavor to millions worldwide, whether fresh, pickled, or canned. Herring is truly a global seafood gem. Which part of the herring's journey surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating food journeys from around the world.